As a mother in Uganda, I want to speak directly to our police. We raised you. We fed you. We prayed for you to grow and protect this country.
How did we reach a point where a human head becomes a footpath, where the people who promised to protect us step on us?
When you step on someone's son, you break the very nation you swore to serve. My heart broke in a way I can't hide. I watched a fellow Ugandan, a brother, thrown down like he has no soul, and a boot pressed on his head like he's not even human. To our police and our army, that uniform you wear is not a weapon. It's a promise. A promise to protect the people, not crush them. We are your people. Your mothers, your brothers, your children. Treat us like humans, please. We are not enemies. Uganda deserves better than fear.